Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Before diving in, just a quick disclaimer that every single information I'm going to share with you in this video is based on my own research and personal experiences. So this is not a sponsored content, so I will try to give you an honest review and an unbiased take. So let's get straight into it. So in today's video, we're going to do a quick and in-depth review of a video that has gone really popular all over the social media. It's our Rosa Flora Sahara beetle that has flowers on it that turns out into a flower. As you can see, its videos are getting really popular, and it is considered one of the new species that is discovered recently. The videos are all over the social media and a lot of people are talking about it. So now let's dive in and find out if it actually insect that actually exists or it is just another fake video. As you can see, once I tried searching for the reviews of the video, I got to know that rare insect known as Floracera Sahara beetle that blooms into a flower under the hot Moroccan sun. According to caption, this beetle crawls across the desert, but the thing is, here is the take. The video is completely AI generated and designed to go viral by playing on people's love for extraordinary nature. So this is just another fake video that was generated by artificial intelligence to gain the attention and to gain as much views as you can. So simply, as you can see, the lighting is so much balanced. It's completely an AI generated video. So in conclusion, I would say like this video is completely a fake and you should not trust it. So I hope this review was helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching the video and hope to see you in the next one. Goodbye.